Say hi, Gremlin. Hi, everybody. March 24th. Saturday. The ladies are saying hi. It's because I got an apple in my hand. I'm going to give this to the piggies in a second. Someone wanted an update on Marty. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Don't steal his apple. Right? Say hi to the people. So clearly she is the one with the white feet. She's much bigger than him. But they're super friendly. Like most pigs. And they just turned 7 months old. And we're waiting for her to be knocked up. So that's a pig update. That's a pig sneezing right there. I'd imagine she weighs almost 200 pounds now. He's probably only 120. There's a muscovy duck. I've gotten over 2 dozen duck eggs so far. Just in the last few weeks. Care of this stud. We could just do a quick egg check. There's a ducky in here. Hi, lady. Uh-oh. She broke an egg. So let's rescue these. So we don't want the birds to eat this, because that makes it they start make a habit of it, become egg eaters. So I gotta collect those eggs real quick. But I wanted to show you one thing real quick here. This is our first sprouts, which is purple mountain spinach, self-seeding from last year. Red Orak, some people call it. So those are coming up naturally. And I got a new garlic bed in here, an onion bed. Some nice plums. And I'm gonna do another video on planting fruit trees later today. We've lost like 80% of our fruit trees due to these pocket gophers. And isn't that right, Dracula? He's the rooster, Dracula. Wop, wop, wop. And these are all his ladies. Yeah, I'm gonna do some planting. Oh, we have a lettuce popping. There's some other type of weed here that's probably totally edible and delicious. So those are just popping out of the ground. Got a nice cherry here and a pretty big apple here. But we're gonna plant some other fruit trees and join us. Thanks for watching.